Committee 3, God's promising you guys, because last night, I'm going to be shooting at
Last night, this morning-ish.
Bunny, little thing right there.
Bunny.
On Sema first. That hit. Hit. Alright, now I'm going to do full auto.
I think you're out of ammo, dude.
I'm out of ammo now.
You got trolled.
Let's go see what? Okay.
You like bacon?
Hey. Ah!
Happy Easter, guys! No definite holes, just a bunch of dents. I bet there's...
Yeah.
Those are just dents. That is some really good plastic. Woo! I'm not even broke!
Alright. Our next video is going to be on the Zombie Hunter pistol from Walmart.
True. Bye-bye. Happy Easter. Bye-bye.